with us from Sankalp Club, and I'm interviewing him for the event of ITC. What importance do you think this event holds for your club and our institute as well?
See, we as a club are very new. We have just been established. Last year we were Team Magister North. Now we have been established into the team called Sankalp, which is the official leadership club of IBS Hyderabad. So bringing in a personality like him, who's a CEO of the ITC Agribusiness Division, I think it holds a big importance for us because we as a club are new. So we have definitely established ourselves, making him as our first guest lecture.
What has been your inspiration behind conducting this event?
I think we wanted to give back students rather than training them to become leaders. We also wanted to make them well informed about the economy, brands, markets, etc. So we wanted to bring in such kind of a guest lecture.
So what do you feel about the event, and what do you think would have been the improvements?
I think he as a speaker was wholly on facts, figures, etc. He could have been more entertaining probably as a speaker. I think the guest lecture was quite good. I think useful for students.
Okay, now we have with us Shivani, and I'll be asking her she's the vice president of Sankalp Club, and she's the president of the Sankalp Club, and I'll be asking her the final question. Shivani, first there was this Uttarakhand mishap, and after that you have brought into picture the ITC CEO AVD. What in future can we expect from you?
In future, you can expect more, as you have seen till now. We have done something which is really different from others. For example, the Uttarakhand event. Everyone thought of donating money, donating clothes, donating food, but we thought differently. We thought how to take leadership, how to change what happened there. So we wanted to contribute in the ways of ideas, the intellectual capital that the MBA students here possess, what they are good at. So we wanted those ideas to get implemented there. So we didn't think conventionally. We thought on other level than what others think. So
what's the theme of the club? Because we are leaders, we need to initiate such plans.
We took initiative.
How much do you think that your initiatives have reached the IBS people at least?
Sorry?
How much percentage do you think that your initiatives or your efforts do IBS people recognize?
See, we had more than 150 registrations. So we had it in like teams of 2 to 3. So we had more than 150 registrations. The final round is not conducted as of yet because the Bish sir is not keeping well. So he was the person behind the whole thing because he's from Uttarakhand and he's been associated with Agaz. So he was the person we were in contact with, and with him we formulated the whole event.
And we have one more President Deepak Goel here, Sankalp. Hi Deepak Goel. Please be seated. And did you expect anything more from this Shivakumar?
What do you think how important he is as a leader to your club?
He is a good leader, what I know, because I was doing my internship over in ITC only, and that too in Agri Division, where he is a CEO. So depending what I had experience during my internship, I thought he is one of the leaders whom I aspire, and so that's why we requested him to come, and he come, and it was a great learning.
What aspiring thing you find from him, particularly? Which initiated you?
See, the first thing is he is an innovation. He has an innovation, and that too, that particular model is a great success. And in that the model is been various case study has been written by many other business school, like Harvard Business School, even ICFI, IBS case research centers also have written the case study on each of our model. So the main thing what I like in him was innovation.
How can you describe him in one word?
Innovator.
Thanks for Deepak Goel.
Thanks.
He is the one guy who brought Shivakumar Zumpati to the dais.
Thank you.